to be simplifying radicals with variables, okay? Before this, we just did with the numbers. Now, I will tell you, I feel like the variables are way easy if you're just focusing on the variables today. And then tomorrow will be numbers with variables, so it'll be a combination of both, okay? And most of the rules are still going to be the same. And so I really hope that most of you guys like breeze right through the sheet today. I'm going to do all the odds. You guys will do all the evens. Okay, so if we look at number 1, what is our group number?
2.
2. There's a magic 2 on the outside. Okay, and then this x to the 4th, what that means is that there are 4 x's. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many groups of 2 could I do of the x's? 2. Okay, so for every one you circle, you put 1 on the outside, right? So we have this thing. So I put 1 for this one and 1 for this one. And what do you do with the outside? You times them. Okay, so what is x times x? X squared. It's x to the 2. And then there's nobody left on the inside. Okay, so this is your answer. Or your answer could just be x to the 2 power. Okay, so if you look at 3, what is our group number? 3. How many x's do we have? 3. 1, 2, 3. That came from up here. Okay, and our group number is 3. So is there a group of 3 of something I could circle? Yeah, the x's. And so for everything I circle, I put 1 of them on the outside. One person gets the debit card. Okay, so this is your answer. Either x square root of nothing or just x. Okay?
Do you have to add the baby numbers too?
You do need to add the baby numbers. And so technically you'd put something like that. Okay, or you could put a 1 underneath that square root or a 0 because you need the baby number. Okay, look at 6. What is the group number?
4.
3. So we need in groups of 3. Okay, now don't get all jacked up when it says to the 3rd power. What that's saying is you have 3 of these. X minus 9, x minus 9, x minus 9. Okay, could I do a group of 3?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is a group. And remember I talked to you yesterday, this one cancels with this one and you're just left with whatever's underneath. And so our answer is just going to be x minus 9 square root with a baby 3 and nothing underneath. Okay, look at 8. What's our group number? 3. So I need to do it in groups of 3. And how many x's do I have total? 9. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many groups could I do?
3.
Yeah, I got 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I put my square root, and for every one I have circled, how many x's do I put? 1. Yeah, and so it's going to end up being 3. I got. Okay, and what's x times x times x?
X cubed.
X cubed. And then we say square root
Nice job, Phoebe. You're an idiot.
of cubed. Huh? Oh, I sure did, huh? Oh, that's fine. Okay, look at 9. How many 15? What's my group number?
5.
5. So how many groups of 5 could I do?
3.
3. Okay, so, and you can look at it like this. I have 15 y's, right? So if I have to do it in groups of 5, what's 5? That's one group. Another 5 is another group. How many y's have I used so far? 10. Can I get any more? Yeah, and I can do a whole nother group of 5. So there are 3 groups. Okay, and if you can't do it that way, write them all out. Write all 15 of them out and circle in groups of 5. Okay, so we're going to have what on the outside?
X cubed or Y cubed.
Y cubed, 5. And is there any left on the inside? No. Okay, look at 11. How many A's do I have?
4.
4, and what's my group number?
2.
2. So for the A's, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. How many groups of A's could I do? 2. So I got 1 and 2. So how many A's go on the outside? 2. So A to the 2 goes on the outside. What about the B's? How many groups of B's could I do?
9.
9 of them.
So then it's. Oh, that's weird.
So it's B to the 9th goes on the outside. What's left on the inside?
A 0.
A 0. Okay, there is an actual rule for these. Okay, if the number is even, you just divide by 2. Okay, so if the number on the outside, you can divide, and you divide it until you're going to get a whole. So if the number on the inside is 9 and your number on your outside is 3, you say 9 divided by 3, and you would have 3 left over. Right now, our number on the outside is what?
2.
2. So 4 divided by 2 is what?
2.
2. That's how we got this 2 here. 18 divided by 2, 9. Okay, so you don't have to write them all out, but if you need to, do it. Okay? Trying to see if there's an odd one.
17, 19 are odd.
No, shut up. You don't even know what you're talking about. Okay, look at 14. Okay, so you can divide by the 1 on the outside. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 1x should go on the outside. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So you should have y to the 3rd on the outside. Then you should have a little baby 3 right here.
Baby 3. I'm dead.
Oh God. Did you hear that, Miss Annie?
Yeah, you must want to go to the hall. I left the chair out there. Did you see?
No, thank you.
Then shut your mouth.
Pardon me?
No. Okay, look at 16. What number's on the outside?
4.
4. So how many groups of 4 could you do?
4. I mean 1.
1. There's. Yep, so 4 divided by 4 is going to be x to the 1. So then you still got that baby 4 here. Okay, 17. We got 9 divided by 3. 3, so you're going to have an a to the 3 outside. 3 divided by 3.
1.
1. 12 divided by 3.
4.
4. Okay, look at 19. 2 divided by 2.
1.
1. Okay, now I do want to look at 20, okay? And we're just going to talk.